There is no voice of Yiddish in the academy at all. I'm attached to the English department and the creative writing department at Wits University, and I'm supported by funding that was intended for a now defunct Department of Portuguese and other foreign languages. So they still had money for some scholar in some foreign language. So that is what supports me. And my role there is supervising students who are translating grandparents' memoirs, working on Holocaust material. Holocaust writing is the elective that I present. But Yiddish per se has no face in university. However, in an informal forum, there is a strong contingent in Cape Town. They have cultural festivals, they put on theatre, they have sing-songs. Johannesburg lags very much behind that. I think it's very dependent on the personalities involved. And Cape Town has a dynamic leadership who are determined to keep it going. And they've managed to. But unfortunately in Johannesburg it's not so. So even in the informal sector it has a very small presence. And it's difficult to perpetuate it on one's own. You know, I mean, I would love to have someone just to talk to. But our class is literary. And it's too short to actually converse and read and talk about the story that you're reading or this poem that you're reading and how amazing it is. So in a way, I feel alone and in a vacuum, and that's been quite hard for me, you know. And then you think, well, then what is the point? But I know there's a point. Somewhere there's a point.